Before we begin, please hit the subscribe button for more updates and upcoming videos.
There are a wide variety of ways to clean and maintain a cast iron skillet, which can be one of the most useful tools in your kitchen. Here's the best way to clean, season, and maintain your beautiful cast iron skillet so it will last you a lifetime. This method is best for pans that have food that is really stuck on, or if you cooked something smelly in the pan, like fish. Begin by pouring a bit of oil into your skillet. Then, sprinkle an abrasive agent into your skillet. You can use, for example, coarse sea salt. This is my cast iron cleaning secret weapon, a steel wool. If you're squeamish about using something as abrasive as steel wool, you can always use a non-scratching scrubbing pad instead. Let's get to scrubbing. Put your pan in the sink, run some hot water in it, and scrub off all the stuck-on food. And then rinse. Now, if you wash your cast iron with water, it is imperative that you dry it as soon as possible. Otherwise it will rust, especially if it's a newer pan. The best way to dry your pan that I found is to set it over a high flame for a few minutes. Let the pan cool for a bit, then pour in some oil. Rub it into the pan with a paper towel or dedicated dish rag. You may click on the link in the description below to get more information about some of the items mentioned in this video. Do you have any tips for easy cast iron cleanup? Share in the comments below.